here. Inside the information centre is a museum that gives you the history of the island, right from when Maori first used the island as a food source, through to the Salvation Army purchasing Rotoroa Island off the Ruth family in the early 1900s. Covers the Salvation Army's time. They had almost 100 years here on Rotoroa, treating people with drug and alcohol addiction problems. At the end of 2005, they moved all those facilities into town, and it was between 2005 and 2008 that the Rotoroa Island Trust was formed. And it was formed by a couple by the name of Neil and Annette Palmer, who are local New Zealand philanthropists. And they made a generous donation to the Salvation Army to purchase a long-term lease with the vision to revegetate the island back to how it would have been, as close as possible to how it would have been before it was farmed, and to plant lots of native trees. And we've planted around 400,000 native trees so far. And to basically ultimately put in the walking tracks and open it to the island to the public so that people like yourselves can come out and enjoy it today. Also at the information centre here, we've got toilets on the upper deck, and down on the lower deck by the big 20-foot pine trees is a water fountain if you're needing to refill your water bottles throughout the day. If anybody's wanting to barbecue today, we've got barbecues just here as well. They're electric and there's no coins required, so you're free to use those as well. From here at the information centre, you can do this. See, this is a blue trail. This is a nice walking track. It's about a 45-minute walking track. Goes from here, it leads you out to Ladies Bay. It's just a nice flat stroll walk out to here. There's toilet facilities here and another barbecue here. Ladies Bay is the only beach that we have with toilet facilities. None of the other beaches have them. From here, you can do a nice walk up to the cemetery, and then this here is a lovely native bush trail that takes you right up here to our North Tower. It is a little bit steep, but it is all undercover with all the nice trees, and if you take your time, it is a nice walk up to there. From here you get 360-degree views of the island, and you can see Pakatoa Island out here, Waiheke out through here, got Coromandel out this way, so it's really, really, really pretty from up here. And from here you'll see this little orange ditty line. This is a really steep grass track. If you're wanting to sort of venture down to this part of the island, to Cable Bay and my base today, we recommend that you actually walk down this grass track to get down to this lower end of the island here, and then walk back up the gravel tracks. All our tracks have got large pieces of loose gravel on them, so you do need to be really careful underfoot, and that's why we recommend you walk down the grass track and then back up the gravel tracks. If you're doing this blue trail and including the orange walks here, you're looking at about 2 hours all up for the northern end of the island here.